welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to review a very unusual product given the type of channel it is. It's a selfie stick from Xiaomi. I'm going to review it because I will be taking this with me when I'm traveling, while I'm travel vlogging and motor vlogging. So guys, let's start with the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi selfie stick. So this is the pack it comes with. I have already cut the packet. Okay, so the original price of the selfie stick is 1,000 rupees, but this is how the box looks like. But in Flipkart and Amazon you will get it for around 700 rupees. But during the Black Friday sale, I have got this product in 299 with shipping 50 rupees. So 349 rupees I have the price I have got this product. So let's open it. So inside we have, I forgot to tell one thing, this is not a Bluetooth one but a wired selfie stick. So inside the box we get the selfie stick itself. As you can see, the finish is a nice finished rubber matte finish, and this is the headphone jack you will be plugging into your smartphone, and this is how it looks like. The look is quite good. Build quality, I have to say, is for the price is very nice. Even for the price like 600 or 700 rupees, it is quite nice. And if we extend it, it has brushed aluminum finish in the extending rod. So it's overall it is quite a good product, I have to say. So let's try it a little bit. So I have this Redmi phone also from Xiaomi. So to connect it, you just have to slide it in just like that, and you can actually do it pretty quickly and easily. So there is not much wobble. A little bit of wobble is there, but it is not that much. To use it, to operate it, you have to connect the headphone jack to the 3.5mm microphone jack of your phone. So it is that simple. Just plug and it will be done. So once it is plugged, as you can see, if it is plugged. So this is my hand. This is the button. I'll be clicking it, and the phone will click a picture for me. So just now I have clicked a picture of my hand. So this is the picture of my hand. You can not just click selfies but also take photographs from your rear camera, and also you can use it as an activation button for starting your videos and ending your videos. So this is how it is done, and it is quite nice and handy. A very ergonomic feel, you can say. It is very ergonomically designed. So this is a very short review. So in future, if something like problem comes, I will be updating with another video. So this is it, guys. I'll be now signing off. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next vlog. And also check out my other videos from the channel, as it's about the rides and travel vlogs. I usually travel on bike. So if you're new to this channel, so please check out my other videos. Ciao.